Well, hello people, it's been a while. So anyway, after 4,000 miles, my Fritzko has seen better days. You can see those teeth there and the rear sprocket. I mean, 4,000 miles, that's to be expected, right? So anyway, I ordered the SuperPinion knockoff from a company called CNC. Well, here, I'll show you. Hang on a second. There it is. You can see it. It was only like, I don't know, 25 bucks or something. So let's see how this looks. So there it is. Look how thick that thing is compared to the Fritzko. That's the thickness difference. I don't know. See, I mean, my shaft looks pretty good. Check it out. Yeah, as you can see there, this bike's got 10,000 miles on it. It hasn't had a stock sprocket on since 2,800 miles. And you can see those are in good shape. So yeah, it's worth it. If you guys, if you're wondering if it's worth it or not, it is. So we'll see how this kind of aftermarket thing does. It's kind of cool. It's a little different. So it has these two pieces that slide in. You can kind of lock. All right, got it greased up. Let's put it on real quick here. I'll show you. I think it goes. Let me give it a little tappy tap. Okay. Slide those little half moon pieces in. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, that piece is kind of in. Got to line that hole up a little bit. Wow, I'm impressed. That thing is super thick. No play whatsoever. So I guess we'll see how it wears. That'll be the big thing. If it lasts 4,000 miles, I'll be happy. Hell, even if I get 2,500 miles out of it, it's still worth it. Yeah, I gotta do the back too. Look at them bastards. Yeah, those are time to replace 4,000 miles of dual sporting. That'll do it. You know, I just gotta say, I mean, everybody, I know these O-ring chains are better and they last longer, but look how stiff this thing is. I mean, all my other chains before O-rings were supple, nice. You could actually feel if there's play, but whatever. We're gonna run it. All the small things, true care, true. There's the new rear sprocket, all shiny and new. There's the whole thing assembled, new chain, new sprockets ready to go. And there's my chain, straight as an arrow. Okay, well, it's been about 2,500 miles or so since I put that Nice CNC sprocket on. Let's see how it did. So here it is. Let's see how close we can get to those teeth. I mean, they look pretty good. 2,500 miles. I mean, I don't know. I'd say it's worth the 30 bucks. I mean, well, that's the proof. The thing's pretty durable. It's lasted 2,500 miles. I went through some sand. Did some pretty good hard rides on it. So I don't know. I wouldn't hesitate to order another one.